and today we have 2 large packages from Toys R Us, and we're going to check out what's inside, and we will review one toy. So let's start with this box. So we have Donatina and her Donut Delights, and it comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins, 4 mini ones, Donatina, her purse, a VIP card, a brush, and her cart. And we also have the My Mini Mixie Q Spa playset, and it includes 2 figures, 1 mystery figure, 1 mini room, and accessories. And we have Num Nom Sparkle Pack, and we have 3 Nums and 1 motorized Nom. These are all special edition, and it comes with a cupcake and a spoon. Okay, so that's all that's in that package. But now we will open up what's inside this box. Ooh. Okay, so what we have in here is we have the Shopkins So Cool Fridge playset, and we are going to review this toy today, and I will teach you how it works. And we have the Num Noms Art Cart playset, and it comes with a Race It Noms, a caramel stamp it, a roller and a stencil, a scented ink pad, 1 special edition caramel stamp it, and 3 special edition Race It Noms. So let's move these toys out of the way so you guys can see. Okay. So we're gonna open this toy today. It probably would help if I brought scissors. Yeah, Kat is going to go get scissors. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you guys for a little bit. So I'm going to open some of the stuff in another video. And I'm opening the So Cool Fridge today, and I will show you how it works. And it's a really cool playset, and I've wanted it for a while, so I ordered it online, and I'm going to review it with you guys. So exciting, and I'm so excited to open up all these other toys with you guys. We may even open up all these toys today. We'll have to see. And I am so excited. And yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. And we're going to try the thing out. We're going to try the thing out. We're going to try it out, and I'll show you how it works and all that other stuff. So, I'm really excited about the Num Noms because, we haven't opened much Num Noms. Yeah, and we're going to try the So Cool Fridge out on some grocery gang. We have the Not Nice Pretzel with us today. We have the Putrid Pizza with us. We have the Yuck TV Food Dinner with that. And then we have the Rotten Toothpaste. And I'm so excited because I'm so happy that I got Donatina. I didn't even remember. Okay, so we have the fridge, and then we have the 2 exclusive Shopkins. Okay, so we have like a strawberry. These are like see-through. We have a strawberry like ice cream thing, and then we have a soda. And this is inside the fridge. You can put your Shopkins in there, and this opens up and you can put your Shopkins in there and in here. So let me try this out on one of them. Did you take out the bags and the cup? So you can put a Shopkin in here, close it up, and I'll show you what you can do. Oh, and it also comes with 2 bags, and it comes with 6 little mini eggs, which are really cute. Ooh, all the eggs fell out. Okay. I hope we didn't lose any. We only need 1 more. Oh, there it is. It was inside the bag. Okay, so it comes with 6 mini Shopkins with different faces. Like this one is like a confused one. This one is a happy one. This one is a really happy one. This one is like a really like mad one. This one's a happy one, and this one's like a laughing one. And this is like a little like seesaw kinda, and it's really cute. And like they're like little baby eggs. And you can put this on here. Oops. And you put this. And this is removable, because you can take them out, but I suggest leave them in your fridge because you don't want them to become grocery gang. So I put the Shopkin in there, and we have this cup, and when you press it, it's like an ice dispenser. And then here's the Shopkin. It's really cool. Let's do it one more time with the ice cream. So you put it in there, close it up, and it's like an ice dispenser. Yay! Okay, so this works with any single Shopkin that you have. Let's see if it'll work on the grocery gang. I don't know if it will, but we can try. Let's try it on the pretzel. Okay, should we put that in there? Oh, it did work. So you can use this on your grocery gang too if you have them. And this one, these shelves you can move up and down. They're movable. Like you can move them up and down and all that stuff. Okay, so now let's put some grocery gang in there. You can put them on the racks, or you could put some in here, or you could put one on here if you wanted to. And these work. It's not a real refrigerator. Like you can't. It's not actually really cold. Okay, and now that we put all our Shopkins in there, it comes with 2 purple bags from these bags are from season 2. And I actually haven't seen season 2 in a long time. And then they come with these stickers. So there's like Cupcake Queen, there's Sunny Screen at the beach, and then there's like a checklist. And we're gonna put some of these on the fridge. I wonder if there's an ice cube one. Because if there is, we could put it on here. And if you have some frozen Shopkins from season 1, you can put them in there because they definitely go in the fridge. And I have some, but I don't have them with me today. These are actually quite hard to get out of the bag. Next time, we're bringing the scissors out. Okay. So, we've got some. Okay. So, we have all these different ones. So, I'm going to put some on, and then I'll show you guys. So I'm putting these stickers on. They stick perfectly fine. And I'm going to put since it's a frozen Shopkin, I'm gonna put that one on here. There's going to be lists all over it. And you can put whatever these stickers on it. You can put whatever stickers you want. They don't even have to be these stickers, but I just choose to put these on it. I may put some more stickers on it later, but we don't want to get you here for too long. And tell me, what's your favorite playset that Moose Toys has ever made? Shopkins, obviously. And is it the So Cool fridge? Is it anything? Tell me in the comment section below. And please subscribe and like this video if you wanted to. And if you aren't a fan yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.